Yo, peace and love, everybody. This is AI News with AI Erik, and today is April 12th, 2024. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about artificial intelligence like I always do. But today we're going to be talking about AI in the workplace, streamlining tasks, enhancing insights from data, things like that, man. You know what I'm saying? Getting you a little bit accustomed to really how this thing works in the workplace, So AI, artificial intelligence, is no longer a fixture. It used to be to us sci-fi. We see it in the movies. I, Robot, for those who got a little age on them. What was the joint we used to watch? Outer Space. AI is a dynamic player in today's work environments. It's shifting how tasks are handled. It's enhancing human skill sets, and it's definitely reshaping job roles. A lot of companies don't understand what AI is. A lot of companies don't understand how to use it, how it can help their companies. But it is going to be a big shift in having to reskill your employees. And that's one of the things that we do at aierik.com. We kind of will help you reskill your employees, help starting at human resources so they can start retraining themselves on using artificial intelligence to better the human resources department all the way down to every other department as far as making particular models and, prediction models and things like that. So it's definitely, a lot of people are losing jobs. A lot of people are going to lose their jobs. They predict that 85 million jobs are going to be lost in, the next 5 to 7 years, and 97 million jobs will be gained. And I always emphasize to, particular groups that we better be, particularly Black people, we better be a part of that 97 million, so that's why I always emphasize to people to start learning this. So AI, artificial intelligence, is definitely your coworker in in this digital age. In the heart of the city, AI steps in to handle all the mundane tasks, the data entry tasks, scheduling, basic reporting. Definitely throwing a chatbot into your system changes everything for your customer service. This shift lets the workforce tackle more complex challenges and strategic initiatives, like AI driven customer service chatbots, like I said, that take on routine queries, leaving the trickier customer issues to human staff. And we hope that that's what happens instead of them completely taking out the human staff, because we have to figure out a way to stay incorporated with this AI world. And that's why, once again, I always emphasize to people to let's learn AI and let's figure out what's going on, because this is going to happen so fast. Next thing you know, it might be 3 years and you'll be saying, wow, what happened? And then it's going to get harder to learn. It's going to be harder to implement yourself into this new world that we're getting ready to move into, So we talking about from automation to insights. AI isn't just about doing things faster. It's about working smarter, by analyzing vast data sets. AI can just blow your mind on what it could do with data sets. AI spots trends and patterns. It powers data-driven decisions that keep businesses ahead of the game. I'm not even going to throw up the statistics, but it's already proven that companies that are using machine learning are definitely moving ahead in predictions and abilities to change the way they've, been running businesses for the last 10, 20 years as far as how they analyze things. This gives them a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% better opportunity to predict from their data on what not to do, what to do, new things created from it, and all that. In retail, it predicts shopping trends and it tells marketing pushes, while in healthcare, it supports everything from diagnoses to the diagnosis to personal treatments. And also, there's been a lot of bad things that the healthcare center and the banking system has done with AI and the algorithms. And that's once again why I emphasize to people, you got to learn this, man, so we can start understanding what's going on and making sure we hold people accountable and for transparency, for good models that are not discriminatory or racist and things like that. AI, once again, in the workplace, we're talking about collaborative intelligence, AI and the human synergy. Like, once again, we got to keep the humans in this. The future sings a tune of collaboration, not replacement. So, but for those who are not in it, you won't even be a part of this. You'll be getting used, and that's it. They're going to make plenty of money off of you, but you're not even going to be in the game. AI, artificial intelligence, is here to bond our capabilities, not sideline us. It supports doctors, aids engineers in design, and empowers writers with style analysis and fact checking, all ensuring that productivity soars. That's how we have to use this. We can't be looking at this like, yo, it's just going to take our jobs. If you ain't in the game, it might take your job, but the ones that are in the game and know how to use this and benefit from this, you will be in this world, man, and you'll be benefiting from it, So once again, in the workplace, we're talking about a new era of skills, as routine tasks automate, skills in critical thinking, creativity, and AI collaboration become crucial. Workers need to be agile, adapting to this new tech, and continuous learning to thrive alongside artificial intelligence. It's a must that we start reskilling ourselves. And once again, like I said, aierik.com, this company, we help reskill different workers and individuals on artificial intelligence. Let's talk a little bit about ethical AI. It's a core focus that we should all be worried about, making sure that everybody in all these companies build their AI models and everything is ethical about it. You know what I'm saying? Because with great power comes great responsibility, and ethical AI usage is paramount, addressing data privacy and bias to ensure fairness and transparency. So that's something that we got to make sure we understand when it comes to artificial intelligence, making sure that artificial intelligence and go hand in hand. Prepping the workforce for AI. Cities gearing up for AI should focus on educating their workforce about AI benefits, offering skill development, and fostering a culture of adaptability. Collaboration between tech and business units is essential for seamless AI integration. So what we're talking about is your IT department, how their whole structure and setup is for your business. You want to make sure when AI is incorporated with it, it doesn't have to just you starting 100% from scratch, because it can be incorporated into your system with a smooth transition. But you got to make sure that the company that is building your models, the AI team, they know what they're doing. They're giving you all the right tools that you need, and they're not lying to you about you need this and you need that. And that's where aierik.com comes in. Also, we can act as your private consultants, and we can actually be the middle person to deal with companies to make sure that they are giving you the right tools and right models and right algorithms, and not trying to overcharge you and give you more than what you need. So the AI workplace, adaptable, innovative, and synergistic. Embracing AI in the work setting promises to enhance productivity and innovation. By nurturing an environment where humans and AI collaborate effectively, the urban workplace is set to thrive in a tech-driven world. I hope that that's what happens, because I know most companies are out here just to get profit, and some of them don't even care if their whole workforce is gone, as long as they make a profit. But at the end of the day, if none of us are working, like we can't buy your stuff then. You know what I'm saying? So, and there are going to be people that are in the AI world, because they're going to need people like that. So like I said, 97 million jobs are going to be initiated because of artificial intelligence in the next 5 to 7 years. And I always emphasize that minorities, Spanish people, they have to be everybody really, but I say Spanish people and Black people in particular because of the wealth gap, so when anybody says, yo, why are you just talking about them? Everybody has to be involved, but particularly Black people, because Black people's never really been a big percentage of the tech world. And we have to change that. We have to change our thinking on making sure we are part of this now. And I emphasize Blacks and minorities being a part of it, because we are at the bottom of the wealth gap, and artificial intelligence is going to give us a chance to help at least start closing it. It might take a while, but I tell you this, in 2050, if we don't get involved and change things, our wealth gap is going to go to zero. And then what? You know what I'm saying? So once again, I thank you for watching and listening listening and supporting aierik.com. My name is Eric Conn, aka AI Erik. Peace and love.
AI News with AI Erik.